Good morning, guys. It is Friday morning and we are at the shop grabbing the Z, doing some last minute things to it before we put it on the trailer and head out to the Emerald Coast area for clutch kickers. So yeah, I am stoked to drive. Dad, are you excited?
Absolutely. Can't wait to ride in the truck with you for 5 hours. It's gonna be fun.
It's like super dark, but yeah, Papa is the truck driver because I don't think he trusts me to drive with the trailer. But as you guys saw, painted it and everything. So shout out Dad, my Uncle Saul, and their friend Danny. Looks sick, but we're gonna bust out a couple things real quick and then get this thing on the trailer and head out to clutch kickers. So I'm stoked. All right, we have made it to the gas station. We pretty much just loaded up the car and moseyed on out to the house and got some food real quick, but everything's good. We're ready to rock. We are about to head all the way out to the Fort Walton Beach area or wherever it is, Hope, Florida. I always forget. It's like, I don't know, like 3 cities come up when you search it up. So I'm pretty stoked. Z looks sick. We're gonna get some good old gas in this thing because didn't fill it up after the last event, but the man, the myth, the legend, Trent Castell Media, he's here in full effect. He's gonna be doing some videos, so we should be able to get some sick stuff. So I'm stoked. You stoked?
I'm stoked.
Are you stoked?
Stoked.
Stoked. Are you stoked?
For what?
This weekend.
Yeah.
Dope. Made it to clutch kickers. Car looks good, somewhat. Still need a front bumper, but it's getting there. So I guess we'll unload and set up our little $200 rig we got going on. Bets.
Alex,
I don't know what to
here's
do
some
for the
snacks.
camera. I'll see the same thing.
Alrighty, boys, we have made it to the hotel. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, we made it to the hotel. It's actually a pretty good hotel. Trent, thoughts on the hotel?
Absolutely. I gotta change.
I think it's actually better than the first 2 we stayed at, so it's pretty sick. We're about to go get food with Steven, Tusner, and Amanda. So pretty much all the homies are staying at this hotel. Ginge, Ryan.
I know, that's awesome.
Yeah, so pretty much got all the friends here, so should be pretty sick.
OSW crew.
It's about a while, Ava. It is Saturday morning. First day of comp. It is like 7 in the morning. We're going to Walmart. We need, what are we getting again? Walkies for spotting, double-sided tape to mount the Nissan logo. And yeah, so we're gonna head to Walmart and then go to the track and unload. I'm super shot. Trent, you ready?
I'm tired, but I'm ready.
Trent's gotta like sit in the track for like the whole day, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, let's go get some 3M so we can actually have a Nissan logo on the Z. Track and unloaded. It didn't cold, super loud, but car's good. We're pretty much just waiting for the driver's meeting and then we will go on practice. You guys can still talk about that. Sorry. Are you excited for today?
Oh yeah, it is gonna be sick.
Ava?
I'm making friends with the dogs.
Help me.
Where the dogs.
Alrighty, so we just wrapped up with the driver's meeting. We are in A group. However, A group goes second today. So yeah, I think we're waiting like 30 minutes or an hour and then we'll get on track. I got Ryan Lafongo spotting for me with the classic Drift energy drink. So we'll see. Yeah, it's gonna be cool having an actual spotter this time that can like critique my runs and like tell me what I'm doing wrong and what I need to fix. So it should be sick. I'll try. You keep missing me.
About to go on. You have any last words?
Yeah, send it. Yeah, send it.
He's in the zone.
Thank you. Alright guys, it is super hot. We just, like a little bit ago, wrapped up our first qualifying. Landed a 67, which is pretty good. I kind of like fought grip and being too gripped up and like getting sucked into the whole first turn in practice, and only got like 5 or 6 or 7 runs. So went out in qualifying and actually probably laid down my best run of the day so far, which got me a 67, which isn't that bad. So yeah, we got one more qualifying run. I guess we'll just pro line it and send it. And then we'll see who we got to battle in the top 64 tonight. So that should be super sick. Thoughts on the event and the runs?
Awesome.
Little too aggressive. Qualified top 30, and now we go against Lewis Lutz, I think. I forget his last name, but he drives a Carnage C6 Corvette, so he's pretty good. So this is going to be an extremely fair and interesting battle.
Talking about
I'll
nuts.
update you guys how it goes in approximately an hour.